Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming you can receive SMS on the new number and that your chat backup is current. This prevents data loss. Once done, open Swift Chat and navigate straight to Settings, then Account, then Phone Number. This is where the change happens. Make sure two-factor or linked devices are noted, because Swift Chat will revalidate sessions. You're now ready to enter the new number. Do this deliberately to avoid typos that block verification. Now type your new mobile number including the country code. A single-digit error stops verification. After you submit, Swift Chat sends an SMS code or offers a voice option. Choose what works. When the code arrives, enter it exactly and wait for confirmation. The app will migrate settings and contacts internally. Once verified, review linked devices and reauthorize sessions if prompted, because some sessions require fresh login for security. This step secures continuity and preserves contacts. Finish by confirming the new number appears in account and that backups reflect the change. This ensures future restores work properly. You should also update recovery email and notify key contacts if Swift Chat doesn't auto-notify. This prevents missed messages. If verification fails, first check carrier service and message blocking, then wait 60 seconds and resend or switch to voice verification. If problems persist, temporarily use the old number on another device to request a code, then retry the change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.